Next topic is conversion of galvanometer into ammeter. To convert galvanometer into an ammeter, a small resistance which is connected in parallel to it. So here you just consider this is the galvanometer. Here we have to take a small resistance which is connected parallel to this galvanometer. The shunt resistance is taken as S and the galvanometer resistance is taken as G. In parallel combination, the current flow is different, but at the same time the potential difference is same. So that when current I enter at this junction, the current can be split up into two different directions. That is, Ig is the current flowing through the galvanometer and I minus Ig is the current flowing through the shunt resistance. So that potential difference across S, which is always equal to the potential difference across G. The potential difference across S can be written as I minus Ig into S, which is equal to Ig into G. From this we can write the shunt resistance S is equal to Ig into G by I minus Ig. To remember this, we have to use a short form, that is GASP. That means to convert galvanometer into an ammeter, a small resistance connected in parallel.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in next class.